Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, and as promised, I'll give you the second part of the nutrients every heart needs. So I already discussed all the nutrients needed by our heart, and that includes folic acid, lutein, magnesium, and others. So all that uh, were included in our first part. So this time around, I'll discuss about the fish oil, okay, so or the fatty acid. So now, the specific question in our reference, which was written by Dr. Decker Wise again. He's a cardiologist. Okay, he's an expert of the heart, and he discussed, or his work was focused on prevention of heart diseases to develop. And that is why I was curious, and this one I discovered this paper, and I was quite amazed and impressed that heart diseases can be prevented really by supplying complete and potent or micronutrients specifically, okay, which again I discussed in the part 1 of this series of nutrients every heart needs. So again, focusing on the part 2, which is on the fatty acid naman. So the question is, what about fish oil supplements? I know they can prevent heart disease, but I've also heard that they contain harmful substances too. And it's a matter, in fact, very true yung sinabi ni Dr. Wise, kasi sa dagat, no, maraming mga contaminants, especially yung mga ships na mayroong mga wreckage, or di kaya naman pag dumaan, 'di ba, nagsispill talaga sila ng mga oils, no, during their travel from one place to another. And of course, we have also contaminants, especially oceans or seas nearby lands. So for example, nearby USA, or di kaya naman in general, malapit sila sa lupa, no, kasi lahat ng mga pollution from the land goes to the sea. So right, yan, may mga untreated, 'di ba? Hindi naman talaga natin maiwasan talaga. So again, focusing on the question, sabi niya, you're right on both accounts, but there are excellent fish oil supplements. So bakit ba parang, kasi meron nung mga 1980s daw, based on the reference, no, researchers, nagtataka sila bakit yung mga Eskimos in the Greenland and Alaska, kahit na sobrang, kumbaga nagtitake sila ng sobrang fatty diet, like heavily on fish talaga yung kinakain nila, bakit hindi sila nagkakaroon ng mga heart diseases? And they found out na kahit na nagtitake sila ng mga fish, 'di ba, mga mackerel, high protein talaga, or more of fish, no, yung composition ng meals nila, ito daw ay good source of omega-3 fatty acids, kaya wala silang heart diseases, right? So and there are three benefits na sobrang evident if we take supplements, or may supplement tayo ng omega-3 fatty acids. So number 1, it reduces the risk of arrhythmias, or yung yung irregular heartbeat, minsan sobrang malakas, 'di ba, or sobrang mabilis, 'di ba, kaya yung minsan nagkakaroon ng heart attack. And then it lower the levels of triglycerides, or mga bad cholesterols and bad fats sa body natin, or sa bloodstreams natin. So tapos it slows down atherosclerosis, or yung pagkakaroon natin ng mga plaques sa mga veins natin. Kaya 'di ba may mga bypasses kasi sobrang malala na yung plaques na nagba-bypass na lang ng veins, no, para makatawid sa kabila, para hindi na madaanan yung specific artery na yon or portion of our arteries, kasi nga hindi na nila magalaw sa sobrang malala. Okay, so and then fourth is keep blood pressure levels low. Okay, so and yun nga, pag mataas, of course, yung yung blood natin, yung blood natin, mataas talaga yung chances na magkaka-stroke tayo or may mga puputok na mga vein. So, we maintain our blood pressure low, right? So, yan. And, so, however, diba, marami tayong mga available na mga supplements in the market. So, the question is, or the crucial part is, ano ba yung brand, ano ba mga supplements na kailangan natin or safe to take, kasi nga again may mga pollutants, tapos yung iba hindi naman talaga pure. So sabi niya dito, no, it is absolutely critical that the fish oil supplement you take is free of contaminants and guaranteed fresh. Make sure that the manufacturer of the fish oil supplement you buy is able to provide documentation of purity of the product and walang mga contaminants or mga contaminants of mga lead, mercury, and other mga pesticides and a lot more, right? So it's really about good manufacturing processes and yung raw materials, kung saan ba talaga siya galing. Kasi actually hindi lang naman sa fish or yung mga contaminants, hindi lang naman nangyayari or nakocontaminate yung mga fish natin. Actually, sa marine environment natin, sobrang exposed sila kasi wala silang magagawa, 'di ba? Yun yung bahay talaga nila. So, now, again, yung fish oil, since pinag-uusapan natin yung supply or yung origin of the fish oil, so we make sure dapat yung source natin somehow nasa deep sea. Kasi pag deep sea yan, 'di ba, yung mga oil nasa taas lang naman. So hindi it will take time, 'di ba, na mag-subside sila or pumasok sila sa marine environments talaga sa pinakababa. Pero much better na yung mga fishes na source is nasa malalim, at the same time yung mga short-lived lang. Kasi pag mas matagal sila in the marine environment, yun, mas mataas yung chance na marami silang na-absorb na mga contaminants din. And going back, no, so that's all for our discussion on our heart since it's February. So kaya naman yun yung topic natin this month, no. And in the succeeding months, we'll tackle other organs or organ system or science, no. So definitely pinaplano ko ng inyong lingkod yung mga yung mga specific topics natin. Pero before we proceed to other parts of our body, I'd like to share a video on why I love science naman. So parang konting refresher, parang somehow breather natin sa ating topic, no? Kasi it's really heavy pag pinag-uusapan natin yung heart, not because our heart has a very crucial role in our body to really maintain, to distribute all the nutrients and nutrients and other things that our body needs. So, and apart from that, 'di ba, figuratively, 'di ba, yung heart natin kailangan din malakas tayo emotionally naman. So, ayun lang naman. Again, if you want to connect with me, you can send a DM, and all your support are very well appreciated. So you may subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ayun, happy weekdays. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.